8:14 a.m. Tsutomu Yamaguchi is just an engineer worried about a missed train. He's finishing a business trip, unaware he's standing in a scientific nightmare. Above him, the Enola Gay opens its doors, a 65-ton delivery of pure death. This is Little Boy, 140 pounds of uranium falling at 300 miles per hour. Inside, a literal cannon is about to fire a uranium bullet into itself. The slug moves, the only gun in history designed to kill an atom. Fission, one atom splits into billions, releasing the energy of 15,000 tons of TNT. 8:15 a.m. The sky disappears. The flash is so bright he sees his own bones. The thermal pulse hits first, light-speed radiation cooking his cells at a molecular level. One heartbeat of terrifying silence. The heat is here, but the sound is still miles away. Now the monster, a wall of solid air moving at 1,000 feet per second. The tram is hit with 30 tons of force per inch. It's total mechanical destruction. Supersonic pressure slams his head, smashing his eardrums like dry glass. His lungs are squeezed like sponges, forcing air bubbles straight into his bloodstream. The vacuum, the blast creates a void, and now the wind reverses into a firestorm. Everything gets hit twice, outward then inward, a literal biological and mechanical blender. He survived because of concrete. In a city of wood, stone is the only shield. The city is a furnace. Tsutomu stands in a silent world he can no longer hear. Covered in ash and vaporized city, he is now a Hibakusha, an explosion-affected person. He limps toward the train to Nagasaki. He thinks he's escaping. He's walking into round 2. Black rain falls. It's an oily, radioactive sludge of vaporized city and ash. Inside every drop is iodine-131. It's looking for a way into your organs. Tsutomu is dehydrated. Drinking this rain is like swallowing microscopic hot coals. His thyroid absorbs the radiation instantly. He is now a walking nuclear battery. He reaches the station, a graveyard of ash-covered survivors waiting for a miracle. The last train leaves hell. Tsutomu boards, heading 200 miles home to Nagasaki. 15 hours of agony. Every bump on the tracks screams through his burst ears. Inside, his immune system is failing. His white blood cells are simply vanishing. August 8th, he finds his family. They don't believe his story about Hiroshima. Monday morning, he goes to work to report the disaster to his boss. His boss laughs.
One bomb destroyed a city? Tsutomu, you've lost your mind!
Outside, the B-29 boxcar opens its doors. A plutonium core is falling. Explosive lenses fire, crushing a plutonium ball into a subatomic sun. Nagasaki is a deep valley. The mountains are about to play defense. 11:02 a.m. The sky turns white. For Tsutomu, the nightmare is repeating. Physics save. The shockwave hits the ridges and deflects upward, saving the streets. The office disintegrates. Glass turns into ballistic shrapnel, shredding the room. Tsutomu dives under a steel cabinet. The heavy metal blocks the falling ceiling. Double dose. Gamma rays hit his damaged DNA for the second time in 72 hours. He stands up from the ruins. Covered in fresh ash, he heads for home. Again. Inside his bones, the factory is under fire. Gamma rays are deleting his blood. His immune system vanishes. He is a walking ghost with zero internal defense. 2 nukes worth of radiation snapped his genetic code like dry sticks. But his repair enzymes worked at triple speed, stitching his DNA back together. Biological redundancy. His body was a self-sealing machine in a broken world. Against all logic, the fever breaks. His body chooses life over a death certificate. The damage left a mark, but his cells adapted. He became nuclear-proof. Inverse square law, being 2 miles away, dropped the radiation power exponentially. He lived while 200,000 died. He had to figure out why he remained. Decades pass. Doctors wait for cancer to start, but it never shows up. In 2009, Japan finally admits it. He is the only officially recognized double survivor.
I saw it twice, but once is enough for the world.
He takes his story to the UN. I saw the fire twice. Let it never happen again. He warns the world, if we don't learn from his luck, we won't survive ours. At age 93, his heart finally slows, not from radiation, but from old age. In 2010, the stubbornest man in history finally finds peace. He beat the bombs. His body is gone, but his genetic data is a goldmine for nuclear science. His story is a testament to human resilience. We are harder to kill than we think. He saw the light of 1,000 suns and walked home twice. Tsutomu Yamaguchi, the man the universe couldn't delete.